Hi, I'm Brad from Salon Brad. I love everything to do with hair. I'm a stylist, been in the business for 35 years, started losing my hair, and I've been doing hair replacements, hair restoration for probably 20 some years, seeking out a solution for my own thinning hair. And I just wanted to show people what was now available with hair restoration. What started off as something that would cover, maybe conceal, not so natural, has now become completely undetectable. And it's absolutely amazing because the base material disappears on contact. So somebody with fine thinning hair can have a full head of hair with no detection and actually no feeling of other than their scalp and hair. While I'm finishing a client's hair restoration, the hairline is virtually undetectable. They leave with a thick, full head of hair that they can style in any direction, shampoo, they can swim, water ski. I mean, it is something they have no daily maintenance on, and it's absolutely incredible how far technology has come in this industry. What is so awesome is with the technology that is now available, I actually can replicate someone's hair that they used to have. Color, density, growth patterns. So if somebody wants to style their hair one way on one day and change it the next, they can. That was not the case with the older styled hair replacements or hair restoration. So at Salon Brad, what's exciting is we have at our fingertips the capability of using and accessing the latest in technology hair replacements. Something that you would have to travel to a bigger city somewhere. We have it all right here in our salon in Grand Rapids, Minnesota.